Sometimes when you pull up an order, you'll notice that it looks like this. It'll have the buyer's name and then a reference number that usually starts with ORE USA, along with the address 1850 Airport Exchange Boulevard, number 200, Erlanger, Kentucky, 41025. These are items that were purchased through eBay's global shipping program. Now, I mentioned this before, but let me explain exactly what it is right now. The global shipping program is a program that allows customers from outside the United States to purchase items from you at no extra cost to you, and it makes it much easier for you to ship them the items. And this is how it works. After the purchase is made, you ship the item directly to eBay in Erlanger, Kentucky. eBay then repackages the item and sends it to the customer. And the customer is going to pay for that extra cost, but that's really a transaction that occurs between eBay and the customer and has nothing to do with you. So the only way to really differentiate your package from any other package is this reference number, because all the packages going through the global shipping program, otherwise known as the GSP, are going to this address, 1850 Airport Exchange Boulevard in Erlanger, Kentucky. So this reference number is really important. So let me show you how you would fulfill an order using an international global shipping program item on HomeDepot.com. So first you would copy down the buyer's name, and obviously go on Home Depot, go through your cashback website, find the item, add it to your cart, and then go to the checkout. And this is what the checkout screen will look like. So I'm just going to paste the name here, move this over. Here's my email address. For the phone number, I always use my phone number. And I'm just going to add a fake one right now. For the shipping address, like I said, you want to make sure, that you have both lines here, the reference number and this line. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this reference number, and you'll have to add it here where it says unit number, because that one's a little shorter. For the first line, you want to use this part, 1850 Airport Exchange Boulevard, number 200. But watch what happens. I'm copying it, going to Home Depot, paste, and nothing comes up. And that's because Home Depot does not allow what is called special characters. Special characters are things like this number sign that's in front of 200. So what you'll have to do is copy just this first part before the number sign, copy, go to Home Depot, paste that part in, and then just type in the number 200. And that's good enough. This is how I always do it, and I've never had a problem. And then you need the zip code for Erlanger, Kentucky, which is 41025. For Home Depot, you only need the zip code, and it's automatically going to pull up the city and state. Now, sometimes you enter the zip code and it's going to pull up multiple cities. You just got to click a drop down and choose which city matches the city on the order. Sometimes, very rarely, it won't be there. So just do your best, choose the best and closest matching city name. As long as the zip code is correct, it should get to the customer. I've never had an issue with it. Then you can make your payment either with a credit card, with PayPal, or a gift card. At first, I just used PayPal myself. It was a very efficient way to place orders, and for some reason, a lot of times when I used a gift card, my orders would get canceled on Home Depot, but whenever I used PayPal, they would not get canceled. So I always used PayPal, or I used a gift card, but I'll talk about the gift cards later. But for a new person, I would just use PayPal to check out.